dodging dogs in my 80. Fuck what you waiting for, I'll wake up and take it, nigga. I see you breaking, boy, I knew you couldn't make it, nigga. Every car I got slammed to the pavement, nigga. What I spent for these, you couldn't make the payments, nigga. I put my leather through a true North fragrance. New rotor forms hit the fender, I heard it scraping, nigga. I hit the scene with a couple blunts. No, this is not the runs. They say what you smoking on. This I'm smoking diamond chrome. She just bought herself a car. Now she getting to and from. I fucked her, then I fucked the friend. Cause she said it's cool with her. I fucked her, then I ducked again. But I still ain't through with her. Katanas in the chandelier. Like I'm a Yakuza son. We used to crack cars. Now I feel so bad for screwing them. Now I send legal money back to my jewel and them. I pull up so clean. She eliminated you and him. I don't give no fuck about none of you niggas or the rest of them. I pulled up with more HP and got the best of him. Smell the weed from here to AC. She came back again. Double edition tour. I pull up and scream I'm back again. See the line up and wrap around, then back down again. She asked me permission if it's cool if she can bring a friend. She said this my only best friend. We the freaky twins. How much do you know? What you know about what you think you know? I know you went broke and don't ask me how I think I know. Spin, then I spin again. Rims in the Michelin's, got the Spectre custom lens. I'm at the cars and coffee in my old school. Old dudes think it's cool, they said you got a classic, fool. I turned the tables in my favor. Told that bitch to sign this waiver before you partake in them party favors. Goddamn, I just beat a lamb. They caught me in the traffic cam. Send the ticket, don't give a damn. I hit the streets and make the traffic jam. All my niggas ride and slam. Play with me, I get you blammed. I put you with some eggs and ham. Bitch came from a foreign town. Chain came out the Hoover down. Hit the club and tore it down. On tour, I do that every time. She said, what's up with it now? I said, what's up and beat it down. Hollow squad, the toughest round. I hit the show and blow it down.